So most of you are new and participating for the Arcade for the first time, and you wanted a guide because Arcade program for the January month. I'm talking January month is ending today. So what is the correct way to earn maximum points? First of all, in the description box, I've shared the Arcade homepage, or you can just come to this website. Here, first of all, you have to scroll to the bottom and come to the week trivias. Now, first of all, complete all the week 1 to week 3 trivias. Here, we will be having total. First of all, you need to understand we are getting 15 laps a day. Okay, and the time is very limited. So for all three trivias, we'll be having 12 laps done. Now for remaining 4 laps, as you know, out of 15, we have completed 12 laps. So now 3 laps are remaining. Okay, 3 laps are remaining. So we will complete all the 3 laps of week 4. And here, 1 lap will be remaining. If you are not getting for each trivia games, we have 4 laps, right? So 1 point is remaining, right? 1 point is remaining. So how will get it? After 2 hour, after every 2 hour, we get one chance to attempt the lap. So like this, we will be able to complete all the 4 sets of trivia. We'll be getting 4 trivia games. Do not worry. Do not worry about the swags. How will be getting the swags. Just follow as I'm doing. First, you got all 4 trivias. Now, if you have time limited, means if you have limited time, or maybe one more important thing I wanted to share, that if you have already completed a trivia games, then after that, what should be your strategy? Complete the certification zone. Complete the certification zone. If you have completed the certification zone, then complete the level 3. Once you have completed all these things, and if you have already completed it, it's well and good. Then you can complete the base camp level games. Okay, first of all, follow the sequence for week trivia. Then go to the certification zone. Then go to the level 3. And after that, you can just go for level 1, 2, and base camp. Now, coming to this, a cloud that cares. See, this game is very important. If you have completed all the games, means if you have completed all the certification zone certification zone trivia level, all games have been completed and you are free, then only complete these games. Otherwise, see, there is no surety of getting 7 points. See, somehow you may miss in upcoming month also, so it's very rare. But for other games like certification zone, level game, week trivias, point is sure, means even if you miss this game, in next month you'll be getting the game. But here, if we have not completed all these games, like you have missed the trivia games, you have missed the level games, base camp, certification zone, and you just jump directly to the cloud that cares, here more than 8 labs are there. So you may run out of lab limits. Sometimes lab issues are also there. So that's why if you are free only, then only complete this batch. Otherwise, leave it. Now, if you have completed all the badges, then it's well and good. Complete this badge, because you need to understand for other games, you can just leave any month and complete the other month game. But if you complete this green badge, if you complete, you have to continue for entire sequence for January to June. Even by a single mistake, you miss any game in the January itself, or February itself, or March itself, then you won't be getting these points. So it will be wasted efforts. See, knowledge is never wasted, but in terms of points, I'm talking about it. Okay. Now, second thing, if you're watching this video in February, then simply avoid this green game and complete all the games, because it depends on people. Sometimes people watch the videos later. So that's why I'm just suggesting all the things. And if you want to know how to participate in this program, just check the video description. I've shared the link. And that's all about this video, guys. Do like the video and just subscribe the channel. Have a great day ahead. Thank you. Bye.